Welcome to our guide on vector addition using the parallelogram method. In this video, you will learn a simple and visual way to understand how vectors can be combined geometrically. First, let's quickly review what a vector is. A vector is a type of measurement that includes both a size, which we call magnitude, and a direction. Think of it as an arrow pointing the way, where the length of the arrow tells you the distance or strength. Often, we need to understand the combined effect of multiple forces or movements. For example, what happens when you row a boat across a river with a current? Adding vectors helps us find the single resulting path. This result is known as the resultant vector. One of the most intuitive ways to add two vectors is the parallelogram method. The process is straightforward. First, you draw both vectors starting from the exact same point. Then, you sketch out a parallelogram using these two vectors as its sides. The final answer, the resultant, is simply the diagonal of that parallelogram, starting from the same common point. Let's begin with the first step. Take your two vectors, which we can call vector A and vector B. The most important thing here is to place them so that their tails, or starting points, are joined together at a single, common origin. Now for the second step. From the tip of vector A, draw a dashed line that is parallel to vector B. Then, do the same from the other side. From the tip of vector B, draw a dashed line that is parallel to vector A. You should now see the shape of a parallelogram. The final step is to find the resultant. Draw a solid line from the original starting point of the two vectors to the opposite corner of the parallelogram you just created. This diagonal line is the resultant vector. It represents the sum of vector A and vector B. So to summarize the entire process, first, join the tails of your two vectors. Second, draw lines parallel to each vector from the tip of the other. Finally, the resultant vector is the diagonal that starts from the common origin and extends to the opposite corner of the parallelogram. Let's consider a practical example. A boat is moving across a river. The boat's engine provides a velocity in one direction. At the same time, the river's current pushes the boat in another direction. The actual path the boat travels is the resultant of these two vector velocities, which can be found using the parallelogram method. To wrap up, remember these key points. A vector has both a size and a direction. The parallelogram method is a visual technique for adding two vectors together. Always start by placing the vectors tail to tail. The sum, or resultant, is the diagonal of the parallelogram that starts from that common point.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.